Next is we're gonna use this winter melon, or yes, winter melon. I have 4 pieces here, and I'm going to take out the skin. And one by one, it's very greeny. Melon, winter melon. This is one of the best soup that we could make, especially when we are rushing. It's very easy to make. And of course, after all, take out the skin, we cut off and take out the seeds in the middle. And I cut off like this. And this is all. And next is this is we call salted egg. Sa Pinas, ito yung tinatawag na red egg. And ayan, lagyan po natin yung pot ng tubig. But first, linisin muna natin. Tanggalin natin yung first water niya. And then, naglagay po ako dyan ng half water. Kalahatiin po natin. And then, bring it to boil. And after boiling, we put now the pork. And then we spread slowly. Don't touch the bottom. And next is we separate the red one and the white one of salted egg, because this one first we put first. And let's see, set aside first. And secondly, when the water is boiled, now it's time to put the winter melon. Yes, the winter melon is easy to cook. We cook for 30 minutes. It's okay. We boil 30 minutes, I should say. And then after boiling, we put the salted egg, the white one, and we stir. And we put the red one. And then after boiling, it's done. Time to serve. Because I want to soup today, I'll be the one first. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.